Shiba Inu just hit a death crisis. This the end, or the start of something bigger? Over $110 million is on the line. And now, a Shiba Inu insider has finally spoken out. What's next for SHIB? You might not like the answer. In today's video, I will be answering these questions and telling you all of the new price-boosting information that has just come out about Shiba Inu. I have put a lot of research into this video, so make sure you watch until the end to not miss out on any information. Welcome to Crypto Daily, your daily dose of Shiba. If you are interested in everything around Shiba, this is the place for you. Subscribe if you want to stay updated with all the Shiba news and predictions and stay one step ahead in the crypto world. Make sure to hit the like button for us to provide you with more Shiba news. But before we get to our topic, let's take a look at the chart and see what the price of Shiba is doing on the 6th of April, shall we? Shiba Inu's price today is around 1,146 units, and its price is down 6.8% in the last 24 hours, with a 24-hour trading volume of 179 million. The token also currently has a market cap of over 6.7 billion, ranking it as the 21st most valuable cryptocurrency. Please keep in mind, these prices might have changed by the time you watch this video. This content is not financial advice. Now, let's get into today's video. Shiba Inu slides after death cross. $110 million bets now at risk. Shiba Inu price slides toward key support, down 9% in a week, as death cross confirms bearish trend and $110 million in open interest hangs in the balance. Shiba Inu price enters key support as $110 million futures exposure faces pressure. Shiba Inu price has extended its decline, shedding over 9% in the past week. At $0.00001222 on April 4, the meme coin continues to hover near a crucial support level amid broader market weakness and growing sell-side pressure. SHIB recorded a 2.21% drop in just 1 hour on Thursday, despite briefly rebounding to $0.00001244 earlier in the session. With total futures open interest exceeding 8.9 trillion SHIB valued at $110 million, traders now sit on the edge of a potential volatility spike. A recent death cross between the 50-day and 200-day exponential moving averages confirms continued downside momentum. Failed breakout hangs over SHIB despite bullish projections. Crypto Elites posted on the 3rd of April, "Why not a 14x for SHIB?" suggesting a potential breakout. But that optimism runs against the current structure. SHIB has failed to reclaim key resistance near $0.000175 and remains locked in a bearish setup. Earlier projections by analysts like Jonathan Carter and MMBT Trader, who forecast a move towards $0.000038, have not materialized. Shiba Inu last reached that level in early March 2024, before dropping over 60% in the following months. Changerly now forecasts $0.000038 by December 2026, over a year from now. Meanwhile, Telegram sees $0.0000728 as a maximum target in 2025, though current market structure gives little evidence to support that trajectory short term. Shibarium milestones fail to lift sentiment. Despite a spike in network activity, Shiba Inu price continues to weaken. Shibarium, the project's layer -2 blockchain, surpassed 1 billion transactions this week. Its total addresses neared 200 million, while gas consumption hit 38 trillion bone. Still, that progress has not translated into market momentum. DeFi Llama data shows Shibarium's total value locked, TVL, remains modest at $2.17 million. In a Post&X, Shibarium updates called the shift a move from green to gold, but traders have shown limited interest in the narrative. Part of the disconnect stems from how bone fees are partially converted to SHIB and burned. However, current burn rates have not offset broader selling pressures. Whales and long-term holders tighten grip as retail flees. Into the Block reports that long-term SHIB holders now control over 80% of the total supply. These hodlers, defined as wallets holding for over a year, have increased their share steadily since late 2024. The firm clarified that rising hodler holdings reflect a promotion from cruisers rather than fresh accumulation. The bulk of buying occurred in 2023, but the data suggests minimal selling even during recent drawdowns. Still, not all SHIB holders remain passive. Profit-taking during the Q1 2024 rally led to brief drops in hodler balances, showing that even diamond hands are willing to trim exposure in volatile conditions. Shiba Inu price must flip Tron to reclaim top 10, but it's a steep climb. Shiba Inu currently ranks 17th on CoinMarketCap, with a market cap of $7.19 billion. To re-enter the top 10, it must surpass Tron, which holds a valuation of $22.58 billion. That climb would require a 209% gain in market cap, pushing the Shiba Inu price to $0.00003833. The last time SHIB traded near that level was the 6th of March, 2024. While the token reached the top 10 in October 2021 and again in 2023, current macroeconomic headwinds suggest a more difficult path ahead. The US non-farm payrolls report and Federal Reserve Chair Jerome Powell's speech on Friday may add further volatility to crypto markets. Shibarium-focused X account, Susparium TrustWatch, has warned about an uptick in scams targeting SHIB holders. The group says impersonators are sharing fake links and phishing for wallet access. While the core community remains active, trader sentiment has weakened. Many early adopters have reduced exposure, especially as price dips continue and broader market momentum fades. Technical analysis shows Shiba Inu price at a critical support zone within its descending channel. A break below could trigger a move towards $0.000105 or lower, depending on broader risk sentiment. With a death cross in place, RSI near 41, and no clear catalysts ahead, the downside risk remains dominant. Futures open interest at $110 million adds fuel to potential liquidation events should SHIB fail to hold current levels. What's next for SHIB? Shiba Inu team member shares update. Shiba Inu has recently hinted at what to expect in coming days. Amid the current market uncertainty, Shiba Inu team member Lucy has stepped forward to remind the community of the exciting road ahead. In a recent tweet, Lucy delivered an uplifting message about the project's progress and future goals, stating, "Let's all stay focused on the amazing upgrades ahead. We've got so much going on. We work hard for all of this, so let's keep pushing and watch Shibarium rise to the top, with Shibos used across the world one day." Lucy's statement highlights focus on Shibarium, the project's Layer 2 blockchain, and ShibOS, a blockchain operating system designed to power decentralized apps and services. Both are central to Shiba Inu's long-term vision of becoming a key player in the Web3 and DeFi space. Shibarium will eventually expand into a rollup hub, allowing developers to launch custom Layer -3 rollups directly on the platform. Each rollup settles its transactions on Shibarium and utilizes Bone for gas. Shibarium will also function as a data availability layer, storing and serving rollup data with reliability. This architecture enables numerous chains to run in parallel while remaining connected. The long-term vision is a modular, interoperable ecosystem, where Shibarium acts as the execution and data backbone. What to expect? Shiba Inu has recently hinted at what to expect in the coming days as regards the ecosystem. Karma is coming to Shibarium and is now live in testing. Karma is powered by smart contracts such as Karma Storage and Karma Logic, which track every move through DIDs and reward with points like candy. The official announcement is currently being awaited. Shibarium L3, powered by fully homomorphic encryption, FHE, and currently in development, would open up new possibilities by allowing businesses to run encrypted smart contracts without exposing customer data. Shibos, the SHIB ecosystem's brain, an operating system built on Shiba Inu and designed to power dApps, privacy, identity, AI, and other features, is also making progress in development. Likewise, the SHIB Alpha layer, a new layer on Shibarium, makes transactions super fast, less than 0.1 seconds, and able to handle lots of users at once. Many of our subscribers comment that they are not going to sell SHIB for the next 5 years, and hold millions of them because they believe in the Shiba Inu developers and the real-world value of SHIB. How many are you guys holding? Don't forget to list your SHIB holdings in the comments section below. Let's praise the SHIB holders for trusting and believing in the process.